Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss TCS NQT coding question, and if you are preparing for TCS NQT, this video is going to super helpful for you. If you are visiting first time my channel, then subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on coding, placement and tech opportunity. Today is day 10 of our TCS NQT coding series. Before that, I already make 9 video on TCS NQT coding. So without further delay, let's get started. So today our first question is like that: you are given an integer, okay? Your task is to replace all the zeros in the integer with ones, okay? And input is given like that 504003, and output is like 514113, okay? Oh, so basically our task is to replace all zeros with one, okay? To how to solve this problem, first we go our digital board and understand the problem, what is the problem and how to solve this problem, okay? So we go our digital board and we see that our input is like that 504003, okay? Like this is our input. For example, 5 0 and 4, okay, 4 0 and 0 and 3, okay? And our task is to replace this number in output format like 5 1 4 and 1 and 1 and 3. Now you observed, then you see that we first change 0 to 1, okay, and this 0 changed to 1 and this 0 also changed to 1. But problem is that how to solve this problem, okay? Here number is given in number format, okay? So for solving this problem, okay, we can take a temporary variable like temp, okay, and initialize answer 0, okay? For solving this problem, we simply do modulus of this number, okay? For example, if find the modulus of this number 5040 and 3, okay? First we to take variable 2. First is answer and second is temp, okay? We store temp equal to 1 and answer equal to 0, okay? Okay, first we find the modulus of this number, found modulus of this number, and by 10, then we get what? Modulus means remainder, okay? When we divide this number by 10, then we get 3 as a remainder, okay? Then we get 3 as a remainder, okay? Now condition applied that if I found any number greater than 0, in this condition we do not replace this number, otherwise replace, okay? For example, now answer is equal to what? Answer equal to first iteration, okay? In first iteration, answer equal to temp into remainder plus answer, okay? Like answer equal to formula like that, answer equal to temp into remainder okay, and plus answer, okay? This is formula like, okay? Now in first iteration, for example, we take a for loop and like any loop, and we run loop from until num is greater than 0. Okay, so in first condition we get remainder 3, then we update answer equal to our temp is 1. Okay, and our remainder is 3, then multiply with the 3, and our answer is 0. Okay, now our answer is 3, and we also update temp. Temp equal to temp equal to 1 into 10. Okay, here temp into 10. Okay, temp equal to temp into 10. Okay, temp equal to temp into 10. Okay, now in this condition our temp is 1. Okay, so we multiply our temp from 10, then we get temp equal to, increase the value temp from 1 to 10. Okay, in another condition, in a second iteration, we divide this number 5 0 4 0 and 0. Okay, and find the modulus of this number. When we find modulus by 10, okay, then we get 0. When we get 0, now again update answer. What is the value of temp? Temp is 10. Okay, multiply remainder. What is remainder? 0. What is remainder? 0. But when we get remainder 0, then we multiply with 1. Okay, so we multiply by 1 and add answer. Okay, what is the value of answer? 3. Now 10 plus 3 equal to 13. Okay, 10 plus equal to 13. Okay, and this process is so on. We see that we get this number 1 or 3. We get this number 1 and 3. Okay, I hope you understand the logic. Now we code this logic. If you when I write this code, again I explain you whole code, and I hope you understand this code very well. So let's first code this problem. I am writing code in Java. What if you are not familiar with Java and you write code in like Python, C++, then you simply drop a comment. I provide code in that language. In Java, first we create class and with file name. So then we create file name. After that we public static void main. Okay, now string args. So basically this is the basic syntax of Java. After that we simply take a scanner class, because scanner class is required for taking input. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, after that we require to enter a number. Okay, so we int num equal to sc dot next int. Okay, so we take input. After that we replace all zeros with 1. So we create a function int num equal to int n equal to replace, and then pass num, and after that print this num. Okay, out after replace number will be name. Okay, then now write the function, then public static int, then replace file function name and take a number as a parameter. After that we write our code logic. Okay, so our logic is that we traverse using a loop. Okay, we traverse using a loop and take two variable int ans equal to 0 and temp equal to 1. Okay, we take two variable. After that we apply a loop, so we'll apply a loop, while loop, and what is condition? Until n is greater than 0. Okay, then we write our coding logic inside the loop. First we find remainder int rem equal to what? N modulus 10. Okay, using this way we find the remainder. Okay, after that if remainder equal to 0, in this condition we assign a remainder equal to 1. Okay, if we find remainder equal to 0, then we initialize remainder equal to 1. Okay, after that we update answer. An is equal to answer equal to what? Answer equal to remainder into temp, remainder into temp plus answer. Okay, plus answer. After that we also update our temporary variable. So update temporary variable temp equal to, first we divide n equal to n by 10, and after that tmp temp equal to what? Temp into 10. Okay, temp into 10. After that simply return our answer. So we return our answer, return answer. Okay, our code is completed. Now run our code. So for compilation we write javac, then file name .java. Our file is compiled successfully. Then now run java 10.java. Now we enter the number. So our number is 504003, 504003, and our output is 51441, which is our desired output. Okay, so our code is performed well. Now we discuss our second problem of today. So second problem is like that: remove bracket from an algebraic expression. Write a program to remove bracket from an algebraic expression. Given an algebraic expression, we need to simplify the expression and remove the bracket. Okay, input number is like that format and output is like, so we simply remove all the bracket. For example, we can take example using digital board. Like we have this expression a plus b. This is just a simple expression. Okay, then we need to print only a plus b. Okay, we can solve this problem using string builder function in Java. Okay, so this is very easy problem, and directly write code of this program. So first we create class okay, after that public static void main and string args. Okay, after that we need to input string, so we define a scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner system dot in. After that we simply import java dot util dot stick. Okay, after that we take input string str equal to new sc dot next in c dot next. Okay, and also give error message this out, enter your string. Okay, after that we write a function string st equal to remove bracket 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 and pass string str. Okay, after that we simply print after removing bracket at bracket and st. Okay, so now we write our function public static string, return type string because we require to return string. Okay, string str. After that we write our function. So we first create in Java strings are immutable, so we cannot directly modify string, but in Java string builder is mutable, so we take a string builder string builder answer equal to new string builder. Okay, new string builder. Okay, after that we simply traverse using loop for int I equal to 0, from where I is less than str dot length. Okay, and I plus plus, and now write condition if str dot caret I, okay, not equal to what, bracket. So now we give opening bracket and also write a condition and end str dot caret I not equal to closing bracket. Okay, and this is the our condition. Okay, and if this condition is not filled, in this condition we simply answer dot append and what string dot character I. Okay, str dot caret I. Okay, we simply do this, and after that return string, return our answer to string. Okay, so this is our basic logic. Now we run our program. Why this is giving error? Okay, remove remove bracket. Here we give remove string. Okay, now we run our code. Simply write javac maintain.java. Our program is compiled successfully. Now java 10.java. Now enter your string. We take input from here, like our string is a plus bracket b minus c plus d. Okay, after that our string is a plus b c minus d, which is our desired output. Okay, now run for second input. In second input our string is like bracket, then a minus b, then bracket, then c, then bracket, and our answer is a minus b. So our program performed well. If you like this video, understand the concept, please like this video and share with your friends. And if you are first time visiting my channel, please subscribe the channel. All the best for your exam.